Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of a basic line dance move. And this one we are covering the grapevine. Very, very common dance, all right? It is 4 steps, okay? And you can do them to the right or to the left. So it starts to the right. We're going to step to the side with the right, step back with the left, cross in the back, step out in the right, and then tap for that fourth count. Okay. Tap with the left. So it's side out, left cross, right side out again, and then tap. And then to the left, you do it in the opposite side with the left, cross back with the right, side with the left, and then tap. Right. And that fourth step depends on what the line dance is. It might be a step, it might be a scuff. I mean, it could be anything. Okay. So let's try it to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, cross, right, together. Left, cross, left, together. Out, cross, out, and tap. Out, cross, out, and tap. Right? And you're shifting your weight each time, except on that fourth. It's just a tap. You keep your weight on that other foot so that you could just tap. Do whatever you need to do with on that fourth count. Same way in this direction. 1, 2, 3, and just tap. Don't put your weight on it. Okay. Okay. That's your grapevine. All right. Oh, and there's also turning grapevines. Let me go over that real quick. Okay. So the way you turn with the grapevine, just a simple quarter turn. 1, 2, turn with the quarter on that third step, and then tap. Right. That's a quarter turn grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's try it again. Out, cross back, quarter turn on that third step, and then tap. You could also do it to the left. Out, cross back, turn on that third step, and then tap. Okay, try it again. Out, cross back, quarter turn, and tap. Right? That is your quarter turn grapevine. There's all variations to that. There's a whole turn grapevine, right? Where you just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, but I just want to show you the basic, okay? So hopefully that helps. Let me know how you like it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna keep them coming. All right, y'all be good. Have fun on the dance floor. Mwah!